How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing something special, I guess, for me. One, two, fireproof battery bag. Is it fireproof or resistant? I think it's fireproof. Nice reflective line here. Got some straps. Here is the bag itself. Is it Lipo or Lipo? Can you see it? There's a little side hole here where you can charge your battery, put your cord in through there. There we go, we moved into the sun. Looks like the bag is made pretty well. Pretty sturdy. It's thick. Let's put a battery in here. Wow. Yeah, this one is definitely big. Bag is a little bit too big. I guess I should have measured my battery, but that's okay. I might get a bigger battery later. Lines up with the battery port pretty good. Zipper it up. And there went the zipper. What happened? Try it again. Ah, there we go. Velcro. It's awesome. Feels pretty strong. I think it's well made. Let's take the battery out. Alright, there's one thing left to do on this fireproof, explosion proof bag. That is to try and set it on fire. Well, it does smoke. Wow, yeah, caught on fire a little bit. It's smoking. Is this really fireproof, guys? Wow. I don't want to go too much. She's smoking. What do you guys think? Got a mark over here. Still pretty hot. I mean, this is a torch. When the batteries are on fire, it becomes a torch. So, kind of burnt right there. Kind of mixed feelings right now. Not sure. What do you guys think? Should I burn it some more? No. But anyways, if you want to purchase this, the link is down below. Thanks for watching. Ooh, look at that, caught on fire. Is that supposed to happen? Alright, thanks for watching.